How to change flight time on Air New Zealand. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change flight time on your Air New Zealand account. So the first step is for you to log in into your Air New Zealand account just like I've done here. And then once you are logged in, you go to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see different sections such as book your trip, manage booking, check-in. So ensure you click on manage booking. Manage booking is a section that allows you to make some edits to your flight. All right, so by clicking on the manage booking section, you'll be taken to a page where you will be asked to enter your booking reference and last name to retrieve your booking. Ensure you do that, then select the flight you want to change. On the flight details page, you'll see different options for you to edit your flight. So click on that and then look for the option to change the flight time and then select a time that suits your schedule. Review the changes and confirm the new flight time. But you must note that a fare difference may apply and it may be a change fee depending on your flight time. And once you carried out that requirement, the flight time will be changed on Air New Zealand. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.